That is legitimately a beautiful, like,
Yeah, that's awesome.
I can't even, look at that.
Yeah, I dig that.
All those little details.
That's tight.
I love the mirrors.
Dude, look at the curtains in the back. Look at the console between the seats, though. It's got like a radio in there, and like this is like someone's like somebody did like custom van shit back in the day. This is like a custom truck.
Right?
That's awesome. That's pretty cool.
Holy hell. Dude, what is that sticking out of the grill?
I mean,
Is that like a pitot tube?
well, no, that's a hydraulic hose. That could be for like a plow or something. You know what I mean? It could have.
For a second, I thought it was an airspeed
I mean, it
indicator.
does have a gumdrop on the roof, so.
Dude, I had the old GTO headlight covers back in the day. Holy shit.
It has a gumdrop, dude. That could have been like someone could have plowed with that.
Oh, definitely. Right? This is amazing.
That's cool. Dude, the fucking like fade on the tailgate and shit.
I would scoop out a kidney with a rusty spoon to own this truck.
Yeah, that thing's awesome.
Holy cow. There's even pinstriping on the backboard.
Shit like this. I wonder if it had like some weird ass cap on it one time or something.
Oh, yeah.
Or like the whole here too, like.
What an awesome truck.
Yeah.
And like that's the thing, like I like the wheels, I like the stance, like it's not stupid, it's not over the top. Oh shoot, my goddamn fucking phone died. Oh, why is my life?
For like a charger on
I do. If you do. Oh wait, no, I got everything. Actually, as long as you got a cigarette, do you have a cigarette
I
port?
also like my charger, I can either take that out, you can plug a stick one in, or like my charger also has like a USB port in it, so you can just.
Oh yeah, if I can, I'll pound it. I'll pound mine on that. Yeah, if you don't mind. Thanks, Brian. I'm pissed that I fucking have my video die.
It's like a USB above.
Nice. That's perfect, dude. That's it. Well, that's what I have. Is I run mine off of.
Dude, that thing's
Fuck,
sick.
dude, I
love that.
ate so much. Holy shit. I mean, it wasn't like an unhealthy amount of food, but I've been fucking basically starved. You know.
Just running around looking